Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by targeting the exact host and port. Type the domain and set port 443 unless the service uses a custom port. Once done, make sure DNS resolves and any firewall allows outbound TLS checks. You'll use OpenSSL or a browser. OpenSSL is preferred for precise expiry data. Open your terminal now and keep the certificate issuer and subject alternative names in mind so you can confirm you pulled the right certificate. Now fetch the certificate. Run OpenSSL client with server name to handle SNI and show certs to capture the full chain. Then pipe the cert into OpenSSL X509 new updates to read not before and not after. If you prefer PowerShell, testnet connection can confirm TLS, but use OpenSSL for exact expiry. Make sure you target the correct virtual host, otherwise you'll see the wrong certificate. Save the raw PEM if you need programmatic parsing later. Finally, read the not after timestamp and subtract today to get days remaining. If it's under your threshold, start renewal immediately. Use your CA portal or an Acme client like Certbot to request and deploy the replacement, then restart or reload the service. If you get unexpected results, check the server clock, ensure SNI match the requested host, verify the full chain includes intermediates, and confirm the service is loading the updated certificate. That one troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.